welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, you can probably tell by the thumbnail, yeah, we're picking up another FJ60. A great friend of mine that lives about 2 hours away reached out to me with a photo while he was at his friend's wood shop and said, don't you like these trucks? And it was a tan 1987 FJ60. And of course he got my attention. So I tracked down the owner's phone number, had to call around to get that, but we finally got on the phone, we're able to talk, and he wants to get rid of it. So he's had this truck sitting for about 5 to 6 years. He put a new carburetor on it, and while he was driving last time, it was popping through the intake in the carburetor, so he parked it. From what I can see, the truck is fairly rust-free for this area that I live in. The frame looks okay. It's still got its rust and its C-channel problems, but it is a 1987, a tan truck, and I'm hoping that it will be something that we can take home. So let's go take a look at it together and hopefully have another one in the arsenal. It's not a rear, they had to weld this. It's a Landcruiser connection, so because it has a snorkel, they made that so it can go off the other side. He said the motor might have been changed at some point. I've picked up a lot of these Toyota Landcruisers over the years, and the excitement of doing that never gets old. But with that excitement when you're looking at one of these trucks, you want to make sure you're looking at all the right items. As you see, I make sure all the latches are working, that there aren't extra parts laying around or cracks, things are working. Especially with these old trucks, I'm looking at rust. Here we're looking at the crossbar on the frame, which is one of the major areas that makes these doomed for the junkyard, especially the rear of the frame. So I'm checking that all that is checking out and it still has its strength. While the frame is very important, you want to make sure that you're checking out the drive line for no leaks, as well as the gas lines and brake lines. We also want to go and take a look at the engine and see if we can get it to turn over. This one hasn't turned over for many years, but I had faith that we could get some type of bark out of her. So that's what we're going to try to do here. We're going to use some starting fluid, as from what I understand, it does not have any gasoline in the tank. So let's see what happens. Cool. Should I try to crank all the way? Yeah. like that dog a lot. Bought another one. Landcruisers here. Oh man, we got another project. Woo! So the new project just got dropped off on the tow truck. I'm gonna see if I can put a little tank of gas and a battery on her and park her in the yard. So I really don't feel like pushing one of these today. If you guys have ever pushed one, you know they're heavy. So got some gas line, just got some gasoline. Let's see if we can get her to go over. A little bit of gas. Got a return line here and a sucker line. So we have a return line here from the fuel pump, which is this guy right here. And then we have our line that would actually be sucking from the gas tank with the filter that came with it. So see if that will help it roll over. Good, let's get a battery. Getting fuel down there. Hasn't been fired up for 7 years. So it's sitting in the guy's back lot for 7 years. Some gas, battery, fired right up. That's a Landcruiser for you. Real question is, will she move? Let's see what happens here. projects we got to finish up, or we can get to this one. But if you want to see this project get done, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos. And you'll get a notification when that video comes out. Cheers.